Well, it's Saturday morning, and we got something a little bit interesting here today. Life's never boring. What we got here is a brick mailbox, pretty older one. So this one here most likely was cinder blocks inside, and they wrapped it with brick. It has been run over. So the other night, a buddy of mine owns this house. He went out of town. He sends me a text with a picture. And neighbor across the street there, they took a picture and sent him. Somebody took out the mailbox. So this one had to hurt a little bit. That mailbox does not look like it is damaged at all. If we look closely at it here, it just had a little old foundation on it, and it just popped it over, popped it out of the ground. So I think we're going to be lucky. What we're going to do is, it's Saturday morning, so I was bringing the excavator into town for another little job anyway. So we got another buddy of mine's going to meet me over here, a brick mason. And what we're going to do is bring the excavator over here, because you're not going to pick that bad boy up by hand. We're going to come over here. We'll see if we can't raise the other side of it up a little bit, get some straps underneath of it, and then we'll just pick it up with the excavator. What we're going to need to do is we'll get that cleaned out. Probably going to mix up a little mortar with concrete, and we're going to put down in there. Because if you look, that's how it was originally, just put in the ground and dug out. So we don't want none of them gaps and everything to be in there. So we'll clean that out. We'll get that strapped up. Hopefully we'll be able to pick it up, set it in there in some wet mortar. We'll put some more concrete around the base of it, and we'll go ahead and make a halo with 2x4s to go around the box, and we'll a couple stakes in the ground and let it all dry. So it's going to be interesting, something different. Never get bored that way. So we got the straps over here already. I walked them over here. Excavators over on the trailer. So let me go over there and get all that unchained and everything, and we'll get going. Post right there.
Oh, it's the old mailbox. There was old post mailbox. They just pulled the post out.
good. That'll fill right in them voids and push out the other spot. Right there in the middle. I can see, Jerry, right there where the mailbox sits at, the spot on that other wall. That's right there, you can tell when we dug it out. So that's what we used to line it up. All right.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Well, we got her pretty much wrapped up here. We got her braced off right there. About 6 bags of concrete. Got some underneath of it where we wet set it, and now all that'll tie in and make it solid. Next car that hits it's probably gonna need a wrecker. But and I should do it. We'll let that concrete dry up, and then we'll put that dirt back and clean up around here, and we'll leave these braces on for a couple of days. Come back next week sometime, take them off. That should do it up. Time to get loaded up.